front of the microwave.
What's up?
I don't know, people tell me, it can give you like cancer or, make you retarded and stuff. The radiation tends to like do that. I don't know.
You're retarded. Grow a pair of balls.
I'm just telling you.
It doesn't work like that, dude. That's ridiculous.
I'm just telling you what I heard.
I'm superstitious.
I'm just, trying to tell you to be cautious. That's all. That's all I'm saying.
The only thing that microwave's gonna do is
That's all I'm saying.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god.
Danny, you alright?